Hello, my name is Dr. Dan Lawrence and I am teaching this course. I developed the course for the College of Liberal Studies and have been teaching it since its inception. I'm originally from Omaha, Nebraska, and I have an undergraduate degree from Creighton University in Omaha, a master's degree from the University of Nebraska, and an EDD from OU in 1991. I've been an assistant adjunct professor at OU since 1992, teaching in the College of Education, Arts and Sciences, Sociology, and in OCCE, Liberal Studies, and Distance Learning. I also was an adjunct professor of Sociology, Criminal Justice at Oklahoma City University in the 1990s. The reason that I am before you is that I have 33 years in corrections. I retired from the Oklahoma Department of Corrections in 2002. I started out in juvenile corrections and had 5 years there before moving to adult corrections, which I remained in for the rest of my career. I have 28 years in adult corrections at all security levels from maximum to community residential. And all told, I spent 21 years in institutions in both Minnesota and Oklahoma. I've held the positions of warden, deputy warden, director, and superintendent during that time. There isn't much I haven't heard in the way of excuses or much behavior that I haven't seen along the way. Prior to my corrections experience, I had 4 years of public welfare experience in Douglas County, Nebraska. Along the way, I also edited the Journal of the Oklahoma Criminal Justice Research Consortium for the Department of Corrections for 4 years. Presented at numerous local, state, and national conferences and workshops over the years. During my time as editor of the Journal, I was involved with Federal National Institute of Corrections and was privileged to be able to present workshops in Washington, D.C. and Chicago and other places. My hobby is living history, particularly 19th century American military. I have all the uniforms and costumes. I have sat on the Oklahoma Historical Society Board of Directors for 15 years now. My interest is in helping today's students navigate the corporate market, if you will, what you will be doing when you graduate and move on to bigger and better things, we all hope. There are two things that I think you need to know how to do in amongst the other things that you'll be required to do. One is to present in small groups and the other is to be able to write well. This course will not help you with presenting in small groups, but it will help you learn how to write better if you are interested in doing so, since the courses are writing intensive. I look forward to meeting you and working with you during the course of the semester. I must tell you that I work from my home. I do not have an on-campus office, so I am perfectly happy to have you contact me at home either via email or telephone, so whichever works for you. There's also a discussion page on D2L that you can submit questions to. Thank you, and I hope you have a great semester.